Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize DuckDuckGo email protection for private forwarding authorization. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing DuckDuckGo email protection for private forwarding, navigate to the DuckDuckGo website. Once there, locate the email protection section. Click on Get Started to create your DuckDuckGo email address. Follow the prompts to set up your new email address. Check your primary email inbox for a verification email from DuckDuckGo. Open the verification email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the DuckDuckGo website and log into your new account. In your account settings, find the Forwarding Settings option. Choose the email address you wish to forward your DuckDuckGo emails to. Enter your desired email address in the provided field. Before proceeding, ensure that you have access to this forwarding email account. DuckDuckGo may send a verification email to the forwarding address. Open the verification email and click on the confirmation link. Once confirmed, return to your DuckDuckGo account. Check the status of your forwarding address to ensure it is active. Adjust any additional settings as needed for your forwarding preferences. If desired, enable any privacy features offered by DuckDuckGo. Save all changes to ensure your settings are updated. You are now set up for private email forwarding with DuckDuckGo email protection. Your DuckDuckGo email is ready to receive forwarded emails securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.